Welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Today I'm going to show you what to do whenever you're laying tile and you run into an area like a slider door or a French door and there's just really nothing good to tile up next to. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Running my tile, and then you've got this little thin piece of metal from the threshold of the door. It's basically flat. There's not a real good stopping point, so I'm going to show you how to remedy that. I get this metal. There's a brand called Schluter that makes this. They make all different kinds. This one is from the Home Depot, and it is custom. And what this does is it gives you a little bit of a lip for your tile to go up against. So we're going to put that there. Get these. Come down here and cut it. Okay. Right, to finish up showing you how to install this aluminum edging next to the doorway, I'm going to show you right now. Let's get going on it. I've already put the mortar down and we are going to put this in place. And now I'm just going to set my tile that I've already pre-cut. Okay, so we've got about in 3/8 of an inch or so gap that will get filled with grout. Thanks for watching 2-Minute How-To. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll catch you on the next video.